Now in Chinese, Mia here. Greetings from Nantong. Today, I'll introduce to you a Chinese snack, a kind of bread. What's that? Let's get started. So behind me, can you see a red store? That's a bakery shop, and it specializes in one kind of bread, which is called 菠萝包. 菠萝 means pineapple. 包 means bread. So pineapple buns. What's that? Actually, in 菠萝包, there is no 菠萝. There's no pineapple inside it. And why the name? It's simply because the outer layer, the top layer of 菠萝包 is super crispy, and when it's out of the oven, it has those like wrinkles. So it looks like the skin of pineapples actually. Alright, let's take a look at the bakery shop and its signature 菠萝包. So here, top three. The first one is called 菠萝油. As you can see, inside the 菠萝包, there's a piece of butter, and that's called 菠萝油. The second type, 菠萝包, with sausages and scrambled eggs inside. And this is 鸡蛋饺. Actually, I have a video about that. I'll show you the link. So these are the top three choices of this bakery of 菠萝包. And today I have ordered a simple but classic 菠萝油. So that's the top one. We'll try that in a minute. Let's take a look at the bakery shop. The staff is preparing the pineapple buns. Okay, a few just fresh out of the oven, and they look like that. And they will be cut in two halves, and pieces of butter will be put on it, put in the middle. That's 菠萝油. And besides plain 菠萝油, they also have other different choices like fillings for 菠萝包. Maybe I'll try those later. Alright, my ultimate task again, to find a seat. Let's go. Well, let's take a look at this street. Meanwhile, this is also in the city center part of Nantong. There are many little shops, little eateries along the street. So the street is quite busy and a bit noisy usually. Oh, I'm passing by a museum here, and seems some kind of show is about to start. Look at those behind me who are dressed in traditional Chinese clothes. Alright, I found a seat near the Hao River. Let's try our 菠萝油 here. Super windy again. Alright, this is the 菠萝油. Okay. Let me show you from this angle. a 菠萝包, a pineapple bun, and inside there's a piece of butter. That's our 菠萝油. Let me shift the angle. Well, firstly, however, this is afternoon time, around 3 p.m. Weekend. Right, let me show you the 菠萝油. So as you can see, it has a special top layer here. Right? Super crispy, and it looks like the skin of pineapples. Right, and it's cut into halves, and my piece of butter is probably already melted while I was filming. Yeah, it's melted and it looks quite tasty. This is the packaging. It says freshly made, crispy, freshly baked, top. Alright, this is the 菠萝油. See this top layer? Alright, I can't wait. Let's dig in. Very tasty textures. The top layer is crispy and flaky, but then the inside, this texture is a bit chewy actually. And well, I haven't got into butter yet. Let's keep on eating. Do you hear the crunch? It's really good. It's a bit of sweet, but not overly sweet. I like this degree of sweetness. Okay, now the butter kicks in. And brings in a bit of salty flavor. Okay, another bite, and I've tasted the butter already. A bit of saltiness, definitely another dimension of flavor. You've got the crisp, you've got the chewiness, a bit of saltiness, and a bit of sweetness. Alright, I finished eating. Definitely recommend 菠萝油. It has more flavors than a plain 菠萝包 pineapple bun. The butter really is a very good element here. Alright, that's the end of today's episode. Now in Chinese, Mia here. What do you think of pineapple buns? Do you find it tasty? Let me know some of your favorite bread or desserts. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye!